Let's revisit the middleware here. Currently, a separate middleware is created for each state. However, the two middleware can also be merged into one. I created productInfoMiddleware.data file and created productInfoMiddleware function in it. The productInfoMiddleware function is almost similar to the combination of productMiddleware and productMiddleware, and there is no new content, so let's look at the code I made in advance. As you can see, the type of action is checked using simple if and else if, and if the action is getProductAction, or if the action is getProductAction, async operation is performed. It is no different from creating a separate middleware. Whether to make these separately or as one can be set to be the developer's preference. However, in this case, since there is a dependency on the action, it is more preferable to create the separate middleware in the corresponding folder. On the other hand, in the case of logging middleware, there is no dependency on a specific action, so I prefer to create it right under the Redux folder. If there are several global middleware like logging middleware, create the separate middleware folder under the Redux folder and save the middleware file in the folder. Next, in appmiddleware.data file, the mMiddleware function has been modified to return a list with a single element called productInfoMiddleware. Let's do a hard restart and test. The entire product list, single product. Let's test once more. Everything is displayed well. Up to this point, I made a handmade middleware for async operation. I think this process will give you a better understanding of how middleware works. However, this async operation is almost essential in the process of creating an app. Therefore, it would be nice to be able to do async operation more conveniently. In the next chapter, we'll look at the Redux Thunk package, which makes async operations more convenient.